It's so important to these people to stand up and be counted and say, I'm not allowed to give blood. I want to be able to give blood.
On July 12th, Sam Gavzi helped organize a New York gay blood drive. Men were tested for HIV, he said, then went to their local blood banks and were turned away.
I think this is a really important time to be putting pressure on the FDA.
The guidance from the FDA says that for men who have sex with men, you have to ask even once since 1977, and that's the question we're trying to get changed.
The director of New York Blood Center Special Donor Services, Deborah Kessler, said they regularly turn away men who've had sex with men. The center said she supports a federal review of that policy.
Sometimes we get pushback from college campuses where they don't feel that we should be collecting blood on the college campus, and we try very hard to work with people because of the ban.
According to the FDA, in 2010, men having sex with men accounted for at least 61% of all new HIV infections in the U.S. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services said it is reviewing the issue on blood donations, providing Pix 11 with a statement that read in part, quote, the FDA's primary responsibility is to enhance blood safety and protect blood recipients. Therefore, FDA would change this policy only if supported by scientific data showing that a change in policy would not prevent a significant and preventable risk to blood recipients. Openly gay State Senator Brad Holliman wrote a letter to the New York State Department of Health saying it's time for change.
The ban also, I think, promotes the stigmatization of gay men and assumes that all gay men have HIV or AIDS, which of course is not the case.
In 1983, when the ban was put in place, HIV screening tests did not exist. Still, Kessler cautioned these tests are not completely foolproof.
The current estimates are that only 1 in 2 million units will be missed by these tests, but in fact over the last years, the last time there was a transmission through a blood transfusion was 2008.